Chapter 3. Working with Windows 10. Lesson Objective. Learn features of Windows 10. Learn Windows Explorer. The operating system is the most important program of a computer. It is a medium through which we can interact with hardware with the help of software. It controls all the activities of a computer. Features of Windows 10. Some of the most important features of Windows 10 are as follows. It allows us to reach more destinations in much less time by browsing fastly, and booting time is much short. The taskbar is more flexible and you can easily access your favorite programs off the taskbar, which runs across the bottom of your computer screen. The new Arrow Peak feature allows you to turn the opened windows transparent and make the desktop visible. Desktop. The first screen that appears after switching on a computer is called Desktop. This is the Windows 10 work area, the area where you work with your programs and documents. Facts.com. Windows 10 is the latest version of Windows operating system. Icons. Desktop contains some small graphical images or symbols which are called icons. These icons represent certain programs, information of storage items, that is files and folders, and functions. In order to open a program or access files and folders on the desktop, you move the mouse pointer to the icon and double-click with the left mouse button. Just like you can keep all important loose papers together and in proper order in a file. Similarly, in a computer, there are files where all the related informations are collected and stored in them. Each file has a file name that helps you locate the required file. Further, a folder can also hold several folders that are named as subfolders. Standard icons. The icons which are available on desktop by default while installing Windows OS are called standard icons. Knowing the Start menu. The Start menu contains the options that provide quick access to programs, folder, and settings. The Start menu can be used to perform the following activities. Starting programs, opening commonly used files, folders, and programs, adjusting computer settings, getting help for Windows operating system, searching files and folders, turning off the computer, log off the Windows or switch to a different user account, opening a program using Start menu. Click on the Start button to open Start menu and the Start menu will appear. Start menu contains a list of many different programs. Other way, you can also open any application by clicking Run on the Start menu and then type the name of the application. Follow the steps to open a program. Click on Start button. Click on All Programs to view a list of the programs present on the computer. A list of the programs appear. Click on the program you want to open. Some programs have sub-menu. In this example, we choose Accessories. Accessories sub-menu will appear. Click on WordPad for Accessories sub-menu. The WordPad window will appear. Windows 10 adds an icon of the program on the taskbar. Creating a file. Perform the following steps in order to create a file. Open WordPad. It starts with a blank page. Start typing text on the blank page. After finishing your work, save your work using File, go to Save option and type a file name in the File Name dialog box. This creates your new file. Creating a folder. To create a new folder, perform the following steps. Click the right mouse button once in the blank area of the desktop. Select the new option. A list of sub-options appears. Click the Folder option. A new folder will be created and displayed on the desktop. Type a name for the folder and press Enter. The folder will be created. Opening files and folders. To open a file or folder, perform the following steps. Open the computer icon on the desktop by double-clicking on it. Double-click on the drive and it will display the list of files or folders stored. Double-click on the desired file or folder. The file or folder will open and you can view its contents. Renaming files and folders. To rename a file or folder, perform the following steps. Right-click on the file or folder that has to be renamed and select the Rename option. Type the new name in the highlighted area. Press Enter key and the new name will be saved. Other way, press F2 on any icon, file or folder which you want to rename. Type the new name, press Enter. The new name will be saved. Deleting files and folders. To delete a file or folder, perform the following steps. Right-click on the file or folder that has to be deleted. A context menu will appear. Click the Delete option. A confirmation dialog box will appear. Click on the Yes option. Your file or folder will be deleted and automatically gets moved to the recycle bin. Moving folders and files. To move a file or a folder, perform the following steps. Right-click on the folder or file to be moved. Click on Cut option from the context menu. Go to the new location where you want to move the folder or file. Right-click on the empty space so that the context menu will appear again. Select the Paste option and you will find the folder or file being moved to the new position. Changing the icon of a folder. To change the icon of a folder, perform the following steps. Right-click on the folder and select Properties from the context menu. A dialog box will appear. Select Customize tab from that dialog box. Click on the Change Icon button and again a dialog box will appear. Scroll and select the picture and click on OK button. Then again click on Apply button. The icon for the folder will be changed. Changing the color of window, borders, Start menu and taskbar. To change the color of window borders, Start menu and taskbar, perform the following steps. Right-click on the desktop and select Personalize option from the context menu. Click on Window Color. A new window of window color and appearance will open. Choose the color scheme. Click on the Save Changes button. Explorer or File Explorer. File Explorer is a very handy tool to manage our files and folders in a computer. That is why Windows Explorer is called File Manager. To open Windows Explorer, perform the following steps. Click on the Start button. Click on the All Programs option. Click on Accessories option from the menu. Click on Windows Explorer option from the sub-menu. The Windows Explorer screen will open. The Windows Explorer screen is divided into two parts. First, the left part or left pane contains folders. It displays the available folders, subfolders and drives such as favorites, libraries, computer and network. This pane is also called tree pane. 2. The right part or right pane also displays the files and subfolders of the selected folder in the tree pane. This pane is also called Content pane. Key points. Windows 10 is the most popular and the latest version of operating system. Windows Desktop appears when a computer is switched on. Icons are small graphical images that are used to open programs. A file is a collection of related information stored together in a storage device. A folder is like a cabinet which contains a group of files and or other subfolders. Folders keep the file organized by grouping them together. A Start menu contains the options that provide quick access to programs, folders and settings. Windows Explorer is a tool for managing files and folders in a computer. The left part of Windows Explorer is called left pane. It displays the available folders and drives. It is also called tree pane. The right part of Windows Explorer displays the files and subfolders of the selected folder in the tree pane. It is called Content pane.